Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Subscription Billing. In the previous video, I have explained you how to receive payment via Stripe SEPA, and I have explained you the whole process along with it. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how to receive payment via Stripe Boleto. Now what is Boleto? So the word Boleto means ticket. Boleto is a payment method that is used in a Brazilian country. Now we'll take a similar example like we have taken while setting up the account for Stripe SEPA. So let's say you are a merchant and you own a business, and in that business you are selling a product to the Brazilian customers, and to receive payment from your Brazilian customers you need to integrate Boleto via Stripe payment gateway. So what we need to do, we just need to follow some basic steps like we have followed while setting up account for Stripe SEPA. Now, so for that, what you need to do, you just need to log in with your Pabbly Subscription Billing account, and I'll just give you a quick look of the steps that we need to follow. So here are the 6 steps you can see. The first step is to integrate Stripe under Pabbly Subscription Billing. So to integrate Stripe, you just need to go to the Pabbly Subscription Billing and go to settings here. And here you can see the option of payment gateway integration, so just click on it. And here you can find the option of Stripe here. So just click on connect now. Now you just need to add some basic details that we have selected the payment gateway, that is Stripe, the gateway name, and here we need to paste the publishable key and the secret key. Now to get these keys, what we need to do, we just need to log in with our Stripe account. Just sign in with your Stripe account. And we are at the dashboard, and to get the publishable key and the secret key, what we need to do, we just need to click on developers, and here you can find the option of API keys, so just click on it. Now here you can see the publishable key, so just click on it and it will be copied. And we need to paste the publishable key here, so we'll just paste it. And the next is the Stripe secret key, so we'll just copy the secret key from here, and just with a single click it will be revealed, and you can just copy it and paste it here. Now that we have added the publishable key and the Stripe secret key, we need to follow the next step, that is to enable the payment method Boleto under Pabbly Subscription Billing. So for that, what you need to do, you just need to click this checkbox and enable the direct debit Boleto here. So just click on it, and at last just submit. Here you can see we have successfully integrated Stripe as our payment gateway. Now we'll just follow our third step, that is to activate Boleto in Stripe account. So we'll again go back to our Stripe account here, and just go to settings here and click on payment methods. Here at last you can see the option of Boleto, and you can see the option to turn it on. So just click on turn on. Turn on anyway, and you can see with a single click it is turned on. Now we'll see our fourth step, that is to set up to paste the URL and select the events that are required to integrate Boleto via Stripe. So what we will do, we'll just copy our test URL from here, and we'll go to our Stripe account. Now just click on developer section here, and we need to go to the webhooks. Here we need to add an endpoint, so just click on it, and here you can see the option to add the endpoint URL, so we'll just paste it. Now the next step, we need to select the events, that is the setup intent cancelled, setup failed and succeeded, and 3 more events, that is payment intent cancelled, payment failed and succeeded. So we'll just go back here, and we'll select the events here. So let's type setup, and we need to select setup intent cancelled, setup failed and succeeded. we have selected three. We need to select three more events, that is payment intent cancelled, payment intent payment failed, and the payment intent succeeded. And we'll just click on add events here. Now that we have pasted the endpoint URL and selected 6 events, we'll just click on add an endpoint. And here you can see our endpoint has been successfully added. Now what we'll do, we'll just go back to Pabbly Subscription Billing account and we'll see our next step, that is to make the payment and check the status of the payment. So for that, just you need to go to the products here and you need to go to the checkout page. Now the customer need to add some basic details and he'll need to complete the order, that is to make the payment. So let's just add some details here. And as soon as the customer click on complete order, he need to add its Boleto, that is a CPF number. So for this video, I'm using a testing CPF CNP number. And as soon as the customer clicks on submit, you can see that payment is in progress. And here you can see a pop-up comes where the transaction, the amount of the transaction is written and the Boleto number. And from here the customer can download the PDF of the transaction that is taken place, and the time at which the transaction will be completed is shown here. And if the customer clicks on this cross button, then he will be redirected to a page where it's written that thank you for the purchase and your payment is initiated and will take up to 3 to 4 business days to complete the payment. Now we'll go back to our Pabbly Subscription Billing account and we'll just refresh the page here. Now that we have made the purchase, make the payment for it, we'll see the different status. So we'll just go to our subscription status and it's showing pending. Now to show you the various status of the subscription, invoice and sales, I am using a testing CPF or CNF number, after which the payment will be processed after 2 minutes, within 2 minutes. So we'll just wait for 2 minutes and we'll see the status changing. You can even see the invoice status as payment due, and we'll go to the sales as in progress. Now as you can see, the subscription status is live, and we'll go to our sales section, and here also you can see sales as success, and at last we'll go to invoice section to see the status as paid. So the amount of days, the number of days may differ in your case. It might take a week or more than a week to collect payment from your customers. That totally depends on the time at which your bank accepts the payments. So that's how you can start collecting payments from your customer via Stripe Boleto. So try to add Boleto via Stripe as a payment gateway, and if you have any doubts while doing so, just go to the need help section, or you can just mail us at admin@pabbly.com. Thank you.